Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, I got this puppy right here. This is the INIU 3-in-1 power bank. Okay, 3-in-1 power bank. And I'm gonna let you know why I got this. This is going right now, it's going for $22.99. All right, so let me give you some of the details with it, and then we'll get to the eagle eye view. All right, the INIU 30-watt fast charging, portable charging with built-in cable and AC wall plug. 10,000 milliamp hour small fast charging built in USB-C cable. Flight safe travel battery pack for iPhone 17, 16 Pro, Samsung, etc., etc. Okay, guys? And again, this is only going for, let me get the price to make sure it's right. I don't know how this changed. $22.99. Now the black is $22, the pink is $39.99, and the purple is $32.99. All right, guys, but if you get the black, it's $22.99. All right, so without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the eagle eye view. This is how it looks. So we don't need an unboxing knife because you can just tear it up. I just want you to see how it looks. Pretty decent. Again, $22.99. Let's see if we can get this. Okay, I messed it up. So you can look at that. All right, this up. Boom. Battery. Anything in here? We have this. We have this, and anything else in here? Let's see. No, nothing else. So this don't come with no wires or nothing, guys, because the wires are already attached to it. All right, so let's go ahead and get to this. So now look how thin that is. That is kind of thin. But the reason why I also got this, guys, because I like the idea of having it being able to plug in and be able to take with you and use it as a power bank. So I do like that. So you have your on and off right here. Now you see it's at 46%. You have your in and out. So that means you can probably take a charge and give a charge. In and out. That's an out. And you have your built-in wire, charging cable. So that's how it look, guys. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and give it a charge and run it through its paces. All right, guys, before we get to charging it up and run it through its pace, I wanted you to see how it compares to other power banks. And you can see how this one is 45 watt, is 30, but you can see it's about the same thickness, but this is smaller. So this is only 10,000 milliamp hours, which is good. So you can see the smallest of it, and this is compared to this. And again, this is much smaller, but just want to, so you can get the size comparison to how, how it looks compared to others. Because sometimes the picture don't do it justice. All right, guys, let's charge it up. But I do like this. So let's go ahead and put it in, and you can see it says this, that Thunderbolt means it's fast charging. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna see take a charge by the in and out. So you can see it's charging, but there's no fast charge. So that we're gonna do, we're gonna take this, we're gonna use this 65 watt charge right here, volt me. There you go. So you see it is charging up. Now I want to see one thing. I want to see, I'm not trying to break this Let's see if you can use this to charge up, just to see if it's in and out, because it didn't say it. And this is in and out as well. So you can use the bottom one as well. Let's see. So there you go. And it's fast charging. So that's pretty good. So this is in and out. This is in and out, and that's only out. All right, let's go and charge some things up. We'll go ahead and let you know how much this puppy weighs. It weighs 253 grams. Not a lot. All right, we're gonna go ahead. Something like this weighs 367 grams. So you're getting pretty decent weight, guys. So it ain't gonna be too much weight on you. You can see I let it charge up to 60%. So we'll go ahead and see what it can charge up. So we're gonna use the cord that came with it first. We're gonna use something simple. You see, it's charging. Right there, it's charging. All right, so let's do this. You see, it's charging 86%. All right. So as you can see, it is working. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add something. We're going to add this one right here. This is to the iPhone 13. Let's see. There you go. So it's charging, as you can see up here. You see a little lightning bolt right there. So it is charging. That's pretty good. So let's go ahead and see if we can get two things charging at one time. All right. As you can see, it's charging up, and this is still charging. So we're going to do one more thing, guys. I'm not going to try to overload it, but we're going to put this here. We're going to say we get three things at once charging. Now, I wouldn't do this, but just in case you have to, this is charging. You see if this is still charging? That's still charging. Sorry. That is still charging. All right, let's see if the iPhone is still charging, guys. And as you can see, the lightning bolt is still going. It's at 6%, so it's charging. So you have to realize that it might not be fast charging once you get more than two items on there. So there you go, guys. So you see it's charging up. Now let's get back to the regular view. Give my final thoughts and give it an INIU 3-in-1 power bank a grade. Yo, I'm back to give the INIU 3-in-1 power bank my final thoughts and giving this puppy a grade. Guys, I really do like this. And believe it or not, this right here, I'm not gonna say it's a game changer, but it's a game changer to me, because what I didn't show in the video part when we charged up stuff, that you could use this as the wall adapter. Have your power cord come from here or here and still charge up your device. So this right here becomes, this is very universal, guys. That means I don't need a wall adapter. All I gotta do, I don't really need a wire. The cord, got one built in, and I can charge about 3 items at the same time. So guys, this right here is worth $22.99. I wouldn't pay more than that unless you can get a bigger one, maybe 20,000 milliamp, but then you're going to add some weight. I think this only being 10,000, and again, I say that because some people will say it was only 10,000, only being 10,000 milliamp hours, that you're able to do a lot with it. You know what I'm saying? So I think this is worth every bit of $22.99. Could you probably get, it cheaper? Probably. But INIU is a recognizable brand right now. And I have a lot of their power banks, and not one of them has failed me yet. Okay, guys? So I think this is worth $22.99. And that, I'm going to give it an A. It does everything it says it's going to do. Okay, guys? So I give it an A. So just look in the description and let me know. Would you buy something like this? I mean, the link will be in the description. Let me know. Would you buy something like this? Is this something you're looking for? I can see giving my wife this, and so she can go to work and she doesn't need a power adapter. She got it. You know, she doesn't need a wall adapter. She got it. She got everything she needs to plug it up, let it charge up. Because sometimes she said, well, I forgot my wall adapter at home, or, you know, I didn't have enough time. She could just plug this up and just walk away, and it charges up, and she can use this as the wall adapter as well. All right, guys. So do me a favor before we go, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank my new current, and new subscribers for still rocking with the channel. I'm giving this an A, guys, for $22.99. I think it's a steal. Do me a favor. If you let me know how you feel in the comments below. This will be in the description, so if you want to pick it up, you can. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tet, thanking you for rocking out with me on another awesome video. Guys, do me a favor, please hit the notification icon, whatever it is, on the screen so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. All right, guys, you have a good day. Peace.